characteristics or features of socialization. First character, instructs basic discipline. Socialization instructs basic discipline. A person learns to control his impulses. He may show a disciplined behavior to gain social approval. Second, help to control human behavior. It helps to control human behavior. An individual from birth to death undergoes training and his behavior is controlled by numerous ways. In order to maintain the social order, there are definite procedures or mechanisms in society. These procedures become part of the man's life, and man gets adjusted to the society. Through socialization, society intends to control the behavior of its members unconsciously. Three, socialization is rapid if there are more humanity among the agencies of socialization. Socialization takes place rapidly if the agencies of socialization are more unanimous in their ideas and skills. When there is conflict between the ideas and skills transmitted in home and those transmitted by school or peer, socialization of the individual tend to be slower and ineffective. Four, socialization takes place formally and informally. Formal socialization takes place direct instruction and education in schools and colleges. Family is, however, the primary and the most influential source of education. Children learn their language, customs, norms, and values in the Five, socialization is continuous process. It is a lifelong process. It does not cease when a child becomes an adult. A socialization does not cease when a child becomes an adult. Internalization of culture continues from generation to generation. Society perpetuates itself through the internalization of culture. Its members transmit culture to the next generation, and society continues to exist. Thank you. Have a nice day.